Lord Anric, what I hear of you today neither pleases me nor suits my mind. That you are so deeply in love's sway with Lady Sauvage, the worthy and kind.
That of her ill you feel no dismay, and of her good no sense you find. This seems a game all out of play, so I would wish the knot untwined.
The more because her honored way
is sick, for which my heart's dismayed.
For I have fear of what's behind. So I have turned to God to pray, and I have begged him hard and long, and pray the Holy Trinity may soon heal her swiftly and with strength.
Yes, if the will should come her way to love you, else I do not think that you can live for many a day.
And since I have the heart and will
that she may live and you live still,
I pray God send her health our way,
such as may make you joyful.
Lord Anric, she can heal if she will, provided you and she be still
And love all three
of one mind skill.